Thanks, Chris. Plagued in recent times by violence, the community of Churchpen in Old Harbour St. Catherine recently hosted an 8-a-side football competition, and the consensus is that sports is making a difference in the community. Denise Walters tells us more.
Meet organizer of the Rum Sundays Bugged Football League, Christopher Bailey. Bailey is trying to use football as a vehicle to counter crime and violence in the Old Harbour community and its environs. The competition ran for 5 months with 18 teams competing from Churchpen, Spanish Town and Maypen.
Well, you know, so basically if we keep the youth them occupying in the community, less crime, you know, less certain levels. You understand me? I say the crime is really stepping up in Old Harbour sometime and a half, basically. So we go to, when we have the football commission, keep them occupied in the community, like Churchpen, basic on our own.
He notes it's a collaborative approach involving the security forces and community members.
Since we got this thing in and basically more serious, we have all our police involved with us. If you notice Sunday, you see the G park up and stuff, so then basically them park up and the community on our whole give a good support.
Now, as a result, Bailey also has other plans.
We're going to expand it to night, basically. We're going to night. We're going to play a night league. So we're looking forward to start at 15th of March.
Meanwhile, Top Quality defeated Warriors FC by 1-0 to be crowned champions. Dylan Clark's 28th minute strike was the difference maker.
The goal was a team played goal. It was a quality game. Good goal. It's a great performance based on quality of the team. Yeah, all youngsters. So yeah, it's a great performance throughout the entire league.
We never have any spirit today, you know, no spirit at all, no fight, nothing. No, we don't win the second ball, nothing. We just never come win the fight. We never come to play today. Yeah, man, no fitness in man, we're not playing the ball. Our special are drinking, man. I think they did well because a lot of people never expect we to go so far and we don't look at things. So I'm proud to see me. I'm not really vexed, you know.
In the meantime, led by a hat-trick from LeSean Ellis, Young Youth United crushed Scheme FC 4-0 to claim the Dr. Kurt Wall Marshall Cup. Ellis scored in the 8th, 29th and 38th minutes. The other goal came in the 14th minute from Lazarus Ellis.
Training, do some D1 training and focus. It was a good feeling. Come out, coach cussed me like I said we're not good and come out and shave him today. It was a very comfortable game for us. The coach gave us all the instructions to just go out there and do our best, and we did that and win.
My side, they never come to play the ball today because they forward out late. And keeper make a mistake, make a second goal because everybody give up.
Now the consensus among the players is the competition is a welcomed initiative.
And then put on the competition, the community always come out and you know, win a fight, we like it.
League bring back the community. I like how the football league set up, no violence, none of them things. I love it, I love the league. The league is a great league.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.